it? Someone, who is it?
Okay, this is from Daddy's friend Teresa.
Yeah.
I thought it was, yeah, Teresa.
Yeah, Daddy's friend at work.
I thought it was one or two people. Okay.
My mulligan, I guess. I'm glad it.
Yeah, oh yeah. Can I help you?
No, I can do it.
Okay, let's pull the string. Pull the string. Pull the string. You're doing a good job. Good pulling. Good job. You do it. Good job. Good job. Open, open. Patua, patua. Patua.
It's a cow.
What kind of car?
What kind of car is it? Can you show it to Daddy?
It's broken.
Can you show it to Daddy? Is it a truck?
Yeah.
No. Is it a fire truck?
No, is it a police car?
It's a police car.
Oh, police car. Can you say thank you, Teresa?
You look in the camera, please say thank you.
Thank you.
Do you like your police car?
Yeah.
We open it so you can play with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can play with it.
You want to play with it?
Yeah.
Hey there.
Broken.
No, it's not broken. We want to get it out for you so you can play with it.
Yeah, and I can close the door.
And you can, oh, that is, you open and close the door. That's why she thought you would like it. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is the truck open too?
Hello.
Is the trunk open?
Hello.
The trunk opens. That's
Wow.
a pretty cool
What
car.
a great car.
I don't mean the truck.
Things go in the trunk.
Can you show Daddy? Very nice. Great gift. Can you look in the mirror again? Can you look at Daddy and say thank you? Can you say, tell her thank you, please?
Aaron?
It's,
Do you like your police car?
yeah.
Say thank you for the police car.
Can you show him again? Thank you, Teresa. It's great. Too interested in playing.
What do you want Daddy to do?
Tomorrow?
I haven't. I can't reach it. Could you reach that card? Not just the card.
The hood?
Yeah.
There's a hood. The
What do you
hood
mean? What
opens
do you
and the
mean?
trunk.
Upside down
Wow.
backwards.
Pretty
What do you
cool,
mean
huh?
upside down backwards?
Show Daddy.
What do you mean upside down backwards?
Daddy's over there, silly goose. Show
What do
Daddy.
you mean
It
upside down?
opens.
What do you mean upside down
Yay!
backwards?
It opens.
What do you
It
mean upside down
opens.
backwards?
This opens.
Thank you.
It opens.
Cynthia Gregory. It's going to be two Gregory and then another one to Cynthia.
Yeah. This is for a very specific thing.
Very
Before you open, I want you to know this is